can take away from us. Happy Independence Day and a very pleasant morning to everyone. Today, we all have gathered here to mark the landmark of success by celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our beloved country, India. I, Sneh Savalya, Prefect House of Loyalty, from the core of my heart, welcome you all to today's function on the behalf of the entire DPS Monarch family. A warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Hassan Chogli, the School President, Vice President, Mr. Yasir Nainer, and Managing Committee members, Ms. Meenal Bakshi, School Principal, Ms. Madhu Uppal, Secondary Section Headmistress, Ms. Jyoti Gupta, Headmistress Kindergarten and Primary Section, Admin and academic staff, all the respected guests, devoted parents, and all those who have joined us on social media. Irrespective of our culture, civilization, caste, creed, and religion, the most important thing is our national flag. The tricolor symbolizes courage, truth, and prosperity. May I now invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Hassan Chogli, School President, and the dignitaries for flag hosting, followed by National Anthem. Thank you all for your participation in the National Anthem. Today, our hearts are filled with patriotism, and to express our feelings in a few words, I would like to invite our school head boy, Mohammad Hisham.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in free India and celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pangs of anguish of being enslaved under colonial rule. For every Indian those days, it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. The idea of being an independent nation, where sovereign power lies with us to determine our future, is a huge responsibility on our shoulders. The significance of its beautiful story is that this nation has gained respect from the world for the democratic route chosen by it. We are also reminded of the relentless struggles of our great patriots who liberated our motherland from colonial rule. Democracy gives us the right to live freely as proud citizens of our country. Today, we are fortunate enough to live in one, due to the vision and the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. We can't say that 15th August is solely about freedom. This day is a plethora of emotions. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. This day defines sacrifice. It gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence. It makes us cherish and value the freedom we have today. It makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mohammad Hisham, for your valuable words. Freedom and power bring responsibility, said Jawaharlal Nehru. On this day, our first thoughts go to the architect of this freedom, Mahatma Gandhi, who embodying the old spirit of India, held the torch of freedom and lighted up the darkness that surrounded us. The moment we were eagerly waiting for has arrived. I take immense pleasure in requesting our chief guest, the sculptor of determination and self-confidence, Mr. Yasir Naina, our school vice president, an honorable person of valor and values, to deliver the Independence Day address.
Thank you, Sneh. My colleagues in the management, led by President Mr. Hassan Chogle, key functionaries, led by Ms. Jyoti Gupta, the acting principal, dear students, teachers, a very good morning to all of you. Today, we mark the 75th Independence Day by hoisting the flag. This is the second time I have myself been a part of the flag hoisting ceremony, and throughout India and throughout Qatar, this ceremony continues to progress. The hoisting of the flag just reminds us that the struggle for independence was indeed a much needed struggle for India, to know that we have to live by this independence day in and day out. We have to feel the independence. We have to stand for the independence. And that is what India is doing in the right manner. It was not just independence from the British, but it was independence from several social shackles that we were bound with, several religious problems that we had, and everything one by one has been sorted out. And today India moves as a strong, independent nation. And rightfully, we as Indians, having a very good name and fame in this country of Qatar, celebrate this day every year, and more celebrations are coming up with a number of organizations that keep increasing, and also the DPS school, the DPS group of institutions that is also increasing day by day. Very soon we are opening the college, Pune University, Milestone International Education, Pune University Institute of Higher Education in Qatar. So there will be one more flag to hoist next year. These are some of the benefits that we Indians have gained by gaining our independence. We have strengthened our education system, our financial systems, our production and industrial systems, and so many things. And today we are indeed a force to be reckoned with. So I salute the flag that demarcates and symbolizes the freedom and the progress of our country. And I salute all of you who have come here to help us hoist this flag and mark this beautiful day. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. It is really a pathfinder for us and will give us an inspiration for us in our future journeys. Thank you again. Gratitude is the mother of all virtues. To extend our gratitude to everyone who has made this program a grand success, I would like to invite our school head girl, Sachi Dhadwal, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thousands laid down their life so that our country can breathe free today. A very happy 75th Independence Day to all the proud countrymen. I, Sachi Dhadwal, the head girl of DPS Monarch International School, takes the great privilege to propose the vote of thanks today. Firstly, I would like to thank all the dignitaries who graced this event with their conspicuous presence, starting with the chief guest, School President Mr. Hassan Chogle sir, for making this event very special with his benign presence. I would also like to appreciate the efforts of Vice President Mr. Yasir Naina sir. Your words of wisdom have truly inspired all of us in framing a better future for ourselves in the forthcoming world. My special gratitude also goes to the headmistress, coordinators, teachers, managing committee members, and staff, including the facilities department, who contributed by arranging the venue, the Transport Department, and the IT Department, who have joined us for making this event possible. Your efforts are what makes this event worth it. A very big thank you to all the members of the choir and student council. Last but not the least, let us salute and express hearty gratitude to the revolutionaries, young soldiers and Jawans for sacrificing their sleep just so that all of us can sleep in peace daily, knowing that we are always protected and safe. I'm glad that today all of us here have taken some time to value our nation and its fearless, courageous leaders. I hope you all have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.
Thank you everyone for being here. Ceremony is over.